Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Consumer Health News tile. In the next window, you will see a preview on the left where you can see live changes to your feed. On the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to add additional customizations to your feed. From here, you can select your content views. The available content views are Health News or Health News Spanish. Set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, or JSON data. Click Create Feed to create your feed. This is a feed from our rich content catalog. Discover the possibilities at screenfeed.com/feeds. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.